Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very interesting software or code editor, should I say, which claims to be Agentic Code Editor. I know that in the last 1 year, we have seen this term getting really mauled by various tools, but this tool looks quite interesting. I will leave the decision of whether to call it a pure or first agentic IDE or integrated development environment. But in this video, we are going to just get it installed locally and then we will see how it works. So this IDE or code editor is called as Windsurf. It is a new code editor which has been developed by Codeium. It is an AI powered coding assistant which is designed to provide a seamless and intuitive coding experience. There are few different features which they have stressed upon, like they have something called as AI flows that combines the benefit of AI copilots and agents and enabling primarily collaborative and independent AI assistants. Then they have another feature called as Cascade, which is sort of a conversational surface that replaces traditional chat, providing deep reasoning, tool integration, and human action understanding. This looks quite similar to what we saw in Amazon Q, which I did the video on, I think, a couple of weeks back. Then we have another thing, super complete, that is not only autocomplete, but also it completes a code intent. That is something I believe various other tools also offer. So there are a lot of key features very similar to which various other code editors are allowing, like instant AI assistance, this autocomplete, terminal integration, and so on and so forth. The interface is quite cool and quite seamless. Installation is also quite easy. So let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. I will be using Windows to get it installed, but if you click on this download and go to the download page, you will see that you have the options of getting it installed on Mac, Linux, and also of course Windows. If you click on this download for Linux, all you need to do is to add the repo and then update the operating system and simply run apt-get in Ubuntu to get it installed. There are other Linux flavors also supported, but for that you would need to install this tarball, which is a sort of a zipped or grouped file for Linux. Then similarly for Windows, all you need to do is to just for Windows you just need to go to Windows 1 and then from there click on download. It is going to start the download for you in your browser. If it doesn't start, just click here and then you see that it has already been done. So let me open that. Now from here, just right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, it says that it is not meant to be run as administrator. So okay, fine. So I'm not going to run it as an administrator. Exit setup and then click here. Accept the agreement, and it is a standard Windows thing, just next and all that stuff. I'm just going to click next and installing it. While it installs, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. AgentQL works on any page. It is a query language for retrieving data from web pages. It uses natural language to pinpoint the information you are looking for. It is resilient to page structures, changing a super selector, and it can be reused across multiple similar pages, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let's go back. Where is my, there you go. So let's click on finish here and it is going to launch. And then click on get started. You can choose your setup flow to import from VS Code, or you can just start fresh. Also, first time it installs the Windsurf in the path. I'm just going to click here and then I'm just going to go with, maybe I primarily like Vim, but I'll go with VS Code because that is more common. And then I always prefer dark theme. Okay, so now here you could either skip or you could sign up with the Codeium. Let me sign up and log in here. So if you go to the Codeium's website, for single developer, it gives you a lot of free features. So that is a good thing about them. And by the way, this is not a paid advertisement by Codeium in any case. I'm just reviewing their editor and that's about it. So let me sign up and log in. As soon as you would click on sign up, it will take you here. I'm just going to sign up. And once you sign up here, you will see that it is asking you you can start with Cascade, which I mentioned earlier, or open command palette, or you could just simply open a folder where your existing repo is. And then you can generate the project with Cascade. So let me open the folder here. So I have opened the folder and I trust the authors. It is just a Python file which I have just done here. And then let me make it bigger. So this is my code. As you can see, it is just a very random code. And if you really think about it, it looks like VS Code, but with AI power. And on the right hand side, you will see that this is what the Cascade is, and it is using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now you can use the add sign to mention code blocks, or you can just start chatting with it. Okay, also you can turn on the write mode, and so you see that now it is right with Cascade. So you can ask anything. Maybe I'll just say summarize the code and then press enter here. There you go, it is generating. So all the stuff, bank account class and all that stuff. I'll see if I can just make it a bit bigger. There you go. So the files are saved. So if you look at it, seems quite interesting, quite nice. And the good thing is that it is using one of the best coding model at the backend, the Claude Sonnet 3.5. We have summarized our code. Now you want to focus on any one aspect of your code. For example, you just want to, maybe I'll remove this parenthesis, I'll just make it like this, and then you can either press Ctrl plus capital L to start chatting, or you could give a command. So I'll just say chat here, and this is, you see that it on the bottom right with add sign, it has given the file name and the line 23 to 29. I'll just say, is there any bug in this code, and then press enter. There you go. You see, it says yes, there is a syntax error in the code. There you go. And then it is also saying there are unsaved changes here. Please save your changes first. Okay, so it says that please save your changes first. So I'll just save it, and then I'll just say, and there is a command here, fix this code, submit. There you go, and accept it. There you go. So it has fixed it for you. So not only you can chat with code, you can you can issue command inline, and it is going to fix it for you. I have just selected, or you can, and I'm just going to say here, please put meaningful comments in this code. Press enter. And you see that I haven't added any key or anything so far. There will be some limits and stuff, but yeah. Okay, so it says that save your changes. So I'll again save. So you have to save your changes in order to get it work. So I'm just going to paste it again here. Let's wait for it. There you go. So it is generating all the comments. And there you go. So you see on the bottom right, it says accept all, and then it is going to accept it. You can even reject it. So I've accepted it, and there you go. How good these comments look. From the top to the bottom, it has really documented it quite well. So this is what this Windsurf editor is. Really like it. I think quite good. And if you really think about it, this Windsurf editor, then we have that Amazon Q, Autodev, lot of, and I think in that just last 1 month I have covered 10 different sort of open source or closed source editors and tools, coding assistants, and these things have improved a lot. And I think they are going to increase the developer productivity through the roof. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to its website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.